Feature engineering is the process of transforming raw data into features that better represent the underlying problem to the predictive models. It can improve model accuracy on unseen data. For the numerical data, we have some operations of feature engineering. First is convert categorical data to numerical data. Let's see, in this data set, we have 5 columns that contains categorical data. For example, 6. 6 contains categorical data values like female and male. And the embarked, the last column, embarked contains value like C, S. Those are letters. So right now we need to convert them to the numerical data. Count embarked and 6. And then let's check the result. So right now we can see 6 has 0 and 1 to represent the female and the male, and embarked turning to 0, 1, 2. So most machine learning algorithms require numerical inputs. This means that if we have categorical data, we must first encode it to numbers in order to build models that actually work. Integers and floats are the most common and widely used numerical data types for continuous numerical data. Here is our demo code. We can snake around to get a result. So here, notice that column equals to 6. This is just an example code. The users can modify it. Let's click around. Then we can get the result. The 6 right now is already turned into 0 and 1, but you can use other columns to test the result, test the code. The second operations for the numerical data is create features by arithmetic operations. Here, for example, we already converted embarked data to numerical data type. Right now, if I want to use the embarked to multiply the age, both of them are numerical data. And then I can create a new name for this new feature. You can say new feature, then it's confirmed. Then we can see the result. On this table, we got the last column. This is our new feature, and we get the result. So this can help us to do some calculations on our data and make new features. The third operation is scaling. Feature scaling refers to the methods used to normalize the range of values of independent variables. In other words, the ways to set the feature's value range within a similar scale. This platform provided 2 ways to normalize data. The first one is standard scalar. Second one is min-max scalar. Standard scalar follows standard normal distribution. Therefore, it makes mean equals to 0 and scales the data to unit variance. Let's take an example. Let's suppose uses sex and age as our applied to the standard scalar, and let's confirm. We can get the result. We can see the sex and age, the converted value.